Okay, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the Manage page and what it contains and what it's used for. So you'll see over here on the left, if you're searching for a person, you just start typing in their name, uh, whatever it is. Let me take off my caps. Max. So you just start typing in a portion of their name, and they appear up over here. The same thing with with a route. If you're typing in a route, uh, if you're looking for something for a route, you go right here and it takes you right to the route. If you're looking for a piece of equipment like dumpster 109, and then you click that, it'll take you right to that dumpster. So that's originally what we programmed in the software, to help people search. But I prefer using this one. But if I'm doing something real quick and I need to find something real fast and I know the person's name or I know the route or I know the piece of equipment that I'm searching for, a lot of times I'll just use that. And we'll go into this mega search later. This is like if you're trying to search invoice numbers, a check number, so on and so forth, like that in your invoices and stuff, for a client, see if they paid or, check the status of something. That's what the mega search for. And we'll get into that in another video. However, this particular video in the manage page, you're going to find that these menu items are going to be very valuable to you. Like if you wanted to see who the inactive accounts were, you tick that, and this would show you all the inactive accounts, and it'll have links there. You could go right to their inactive accounts. It'll show you the people that don't have an email, and so, but you have 0 active customers with an email, but you have 503 active customers that do have an email. And if you wanted to see how many those customers individually, you would click here to see those customers that don't have an email. This possible duplicates would be people with the same address. So if it's 123 Smith Street and there's 123 Smith Streets, yeah, these might be possible duplicates. And so you would want to make sure that one of those people are inactive while the other one's active. So that's pretty important to you. So you don't want to be double billing people. This next one, not assigned to a route. So if you have a lot of customers that are not assigned to a route, you need to get them on a route because now you don't have to worry about business customers if you're doing that a little bit differently. But I mean, business customers could be on a route. You could set up a dumpster route if all the dumpsters are the same price. But usually, there are going to be different prices for different companies because you have different sized dumpsters. So um, if they're set to a business account, they're not going to show up here. But these personal accounts, where you have this residential pickup, if they're not assigned to a route, you're going to want to make sure that they're on a route. So assigning somebody to a route is very easy. You just click on their name, and then whenever you come down here to route, you'll assign them to whatever route that you have, and then just click update. Let's go back to this manage page and go over these other options. You'll always get a email letting what you've done on the site, who you've updated, and what you did to them. Okay, so that's not assigned to a route. Here's duplicate locations. So what will happen in the system if people have duplicate locations? And here you see you have 489 people with duplicate locations, and so what that does is whenever you load a person up in the system, so let me go ahead and show you this. When you load the person up in the system, it'll bring in their geolocation. And here's the deal: if they don't have a, a geolocation, or if the application had a problem finding their geolocation on the map because there was a wrong address or something, you'll get this. Now I imported this database; it's all demo data, and so that's why we have so many people with duplicate locations, because they're all plotted out on the map, and none of them are set. But you shouldn't have this issue. But if you do, then you just go in here and go down through those duplicate locations and make sure that everybody has a plot location. And that's what this has to do with too. These people have no plot. Now, notice whenever I click on this, it's going to load up the customer's profile, this Thermo Mano. Let me click on him. Notice now it goes to the Google API, plots out their location based upon their address, and it puts them on the map, and then you can see exactly where they're at there. Okay, so that's important to do. So then that way, you have everything plotted out on the map. So let's go back here to this no location plot, and notice that that person is gone. So as you load those people up, you're checking on their location and everything like that. You'll see where they're at. Okay, so that's no location plot, and you want this pretty much set to 0 because you want everybody plotted out within your application. The next one is new accounts. So if they've signed up in the past 7 days, you want to make sure that they have their location plot, that it's not a duplicate location or a duplicate address. Then that way, you could go in here and you could check on these people, make sure that everything's legit. If somebody just moved into the area, that maybe they moved into a customer that you were serving, but now it's changing customers. You want to make sure that old customer is inactive, and then you activate this customer. All right, so that's it for the manage page. And also, if you want to go up to the menu here, this just shows you all the cities that are within your that you service, okay, for your company. And if you go to each one of these cities, you'll be able to see the people that are in the cities. That you could change their route for them. You could go visit their page. You could filter them down, see how many people were in zip code 44302. Within these cities, you could see how many people were on the north route, so on and so forth. But as you click these different cities and everything like that, you'll be able to see where they're at. You can assign them to a route, if need be. But that's pretty much it for this manage page. The other features I'll cover on different videos. But there you go. This is Max with Waste Management Panda Software, and I'll see you in the next video.